One of the things we've learned through lockdown is how important it is to be more connected as people, as communities, and to nature. We've had the time to enjoy the birds singing, to watch the spring flowers bloom, and of course we've been blessed with beautiful weather. And whether we've enjoyed all of that on our daily walks or just from our window, nature has been like a lifeline. And here in Cornwall, we are really lucky never to be far away from natural beauty. It's all been there for us, and now it's time for us to be there for nature. One way that you can do that is to support the work of Cornwall Wildlife Trust by becoming a member. Whether you live here or whether you just visit here, you'll know what a special place this is. So let's help Cornwall Wildlife Trust to keep it that way.